Hello and welcome to Skyline. I'm Dhriti Athri. And tonight I want to start with a question. What if I told you that thousands of Indians in America, they are suddenly facing a future filled with a lot of uncertainty? What if I told you that American dream that attracted lakhs of Indian students, engineers, doctors, teachers, in fact IT profession, it is becoming more expensive, more complicated and in some cases more risky? Because tonight almost every story it is connected to just one community, the Indian community in the United States. Well, this is not just another immigration story. This is not just another tech story. This is a story about opportunity, a story about uncertainty, a story about how policy changes in Washington. It can completely change the lives of families sitting in Bengaluru, sitting in Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Delhi, and maybe Mumbai. Tonight's Skyline, it is not just about America, it is about Indians in America. It is about the future of skilled immigration. Ladies and gentlemen, it is about a question that many families are now asking. Is the American dream becoming harder to achieve specifically for Indians here? So, let's start with it. Now, for years, the H-1B visa has been one of the biggest pathways for skilled Indians to build careers in the US, right? Every year, thousands of engineers, IT professionals, doctors, researchers, and other skilled workers, they move to America through this particular program. But now, a major development, it is creating concern among Indians on both the ends of the world. According to the US officials, more than 200,000 applicants, they reportedly paid a massive $100,000 fee just to get their visa application. Specifically, the H-1B applications proceeded faster. While those who paid, they could see their application move a much quicker way than others. They had to wait several months for processing here. Why does this matter? Because more than 70% of approved H-1B visas traditionally go to the Indian professionals here. Well, any change in the system, it directly affects the Indian families, students, and workers who dream of building a future in the US. Many now worry that opportunities could become more and more expensive and harder to access. The issue, it has also sparked debate in Washington. Some leaders argue that H-1B system, it needs reform to protect the American workers, while others say that industries such as technology, healthcare, education, it depend heavily on skilled foreign talent. Lawmakers, they have even raised concern that hospitals and schools in rural areas, they are now struggling to hire professionals because of the rising costs associated with visa rules. Now, for many Indians in the US, the message, that's clear. The opportunity, they are still here, but the journey, it is becoming more and more complicated, and thousands of families are definitely closely watching what happens next. But getting the US visa, it may not be the only challenge anymore. Because now, US authorities want to know much more about the person applying for it. That's right. Just when many Indians, they thought that getting the H-1B visa, it was difficult enough, another requirement has entered the picture. US government, they have just announced that it will expand social media and online presence checks for all the H-1B visa applicants and their H-4 dependents too. So this basically means visa officers, they may now review applicants' digital footprint just as part of a screening process. According to the US Embassy in India, applicants may even be required to make their social media profiles public so that they can review it during the visa process. For thousands of Indians who are planning to work in America, this whole announcement, it has created a fresh uncertainty. In fact, many people, they are now wondering that what kind of posts, maybe comments, likes, or online activity can be examined here. In the meantime, others worry that something taken out of context, it can create unnecessary complications during the visa process. In the meantime, the US government says that the goal, it is to strengthen security and just to ensure that applicants, they can qualify for the visa that they seek. But for many families, it adds another layer of stress to an already very, very complicated immigration journey. For years, applicants, they focus on degrees, work experience, employer sponsorship. Now, many are paying equal attention to their digital presence. In fact, it is another reminder that Immigration rule in America, they are evolving rapidly, and Indian professionals, they are among those who are most affected. And yes, while Indians, they are worrying about visa checks and immigration rule, another controversy in Texas, it is creating tension for one of America's fastest growing community, the Indian community. Fresco, Texas. It is often seen as a success story for the Indian American community, right? Over the years, thousands of Indian families have moved there, helping transform the whole city into one of the most vibrant South Asian communities in the US. Indian restaurants, grocery stores, temples, cultural events, and businesses. Everything has become an important part of the local life now. But now, an anti-Indian controversy. It has sparked concern among many residents. Well, the whole controversy involves a Pakistani-American political figure who has been accused of using inflammatory language and actions that created confusion and tension within the whole community. Well, this whole incident, it has generated debate both locally and online, with many Indian Americans expressing concern about how misinformation and cultural division, it can damage community relationships. For many Indians living in America, stories like this, they are disappointing because they come at a time when the whole community, it has made significant contribution to local economies, schools, healthcare system, technology companies. Many immigrants move to America seeking better opportunity and peaceful lives. Well, when political or cultural controversies emerge, they can create unnecessary division among people who live and work together every single day. Now, many community leaders, they are now calling for dialogue, understanding, responsibility of the leadership just to ensure that local disagreement, they do not escalate into broader tension. For the Indians who are living in Fresco and across America, maintaining community harmony, that remains a top priority. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ironically, while some communities continue debating immigration, many parts of America, they are actually struggling to find enough skilled workers. Now, when people hear about H-1B visas, they usually think about technology workers, maybe software engineers, right? But the program plays a much bigger role in American economy. Schools, in fact, hospitals, research institutions, other organizations, they also depend on skilled foreign program and professionals. The reality, it was highlighted during the recent Senate hearing where lawmakers, they raised concern about how rising visa costs, they are affecting schools in rural communities. Ladies and gentlemen, several lawmakers, they kind of argued that school districts in remote parts of America, they face the same challenges as hospitals trying to recruit the doctors. In fact, in many cases, there are not enough qualified workers that are available locally. As a result, schools often recruit teachers from overseas, including many from India and other countries too. Senators, they urged the Department of Homeland Security just to continue providing flexibility or maybe relief for these critical positions. The story, it is also very important because it highlights a reality often overlooked in the immigration debate. Skilled immigrants, they are not only working in technology companies, they are teaching children, they are treating the patients, in fact, conducting research, supporting communities across the US. In fact, many rural areas depend heavily on these professionals just to fill the positions that would otherwise remain vacant. Now, for Indians considering career abroad, the whole discussion, it is encouraging because it shows that some American lawmakers, they do recognize the important role skilled immigrants continue to play. However, it also highlights how immigration policies, they remain a major topic of debate in Washington. But yes, immigration is not the only concern for Indians in America. A growing economic slowdown and rising layoffs are creating very different reality, the reality that involves anxiety. Well, for years, Indian technology professions, they have helped transform North Texas into one of America's fastest growing region, right? Cities like Fresco, maybe Salina, they have become popular destination for Indian families working in tech sector. New homes, they were built over there. Businesses expanded and entire communities grew around the arrival of skilled professionals. In fact, so many Indians settled in this area that some residents, they jokingly started calling it Delisram. But now that success story, it is facing new challenges. The reason? Simple. Uncertainty. Over the past years, layoffs in the tech sector, strict immigration policy, and concern about the future H-1B visas, it has made many families more cautious. People who were once very eager to buy homes, they are now delaying major financial decisions. In fact, some homeowners, they are even putting properties on the market because they are just very unsure about how long-term job security is going to work for them or not. The impact, it is also visible. Home prices in several North Texas suburbs, it has started falling, and builders, they are finding it very hard to attract the buyers. For many Indian professionals, the fear, that's not about losing a job, it's about what happens next. The H-1B workers, typically they have a limited period of time just to find a new employer, right? If they lose their first job. And that uncertainty, that is affecting housing decisions, investment, in fact, the future plans. Well, the story, it shows how closely immigration, jobs, and economy, everything is connected. When skilled workers, they feel uncertain, entire communities can feel the whole impact. And unfortunately, those fears are maybe growing stronger because another major American company has announced fresh layoff. We are talking about Uber. The tech industry, it continues to face a period of major change. Uber is the latest company making the headlines now. The ride-hailing giant, it has announced a fresh round of layoffs affecting employees within its people and places division. Well, the team responsible for human resources, recruitment, and workplace operation. Here, reports suggest that about 23% of employees in this division, they have been impacted. While Uber insists that these layoffs, they are not related to artificial intelligence. But how can you ignore the timing? Timing has raised questions now. Across the tech industry, companies are reconstructing. Companies are cutting costs and looking for ways to become more efficient here. And at the very same time, businesses are investing heavily in AI tools or maybe automation. Now, as a result, many workers are wondering what the future really holds for traditional corporate roles. For Indians working in the US technology sector, every layoff announcement, it creates a lot of maybe concern or anxiety. Thousands of Indian professionals, they are employed by major tech companies, the biggies, and many are on work visas that depend on continued employment. Losing a job can create additional immigration challenge for them, and that American citizens, they do not face it. Although Uber says that the reconstructing is designed to simplify operations and improve efficiency. But let's be honest, the announcement is another reminder that tech sector remains unpredictable. Employees across the industries, they are closely watching how companies balance growth, automation, and workforce reduction. And yes, Uber is not alone here. Another major software company is now making even deeper cuts as the race to invest in AI, it continues. And yes, Uber is not alone here. Another major software company is now making even deeper cuts as the race to invest in AI, it continues. GitLab, one of the world's best-known software development companies, has announced that approximately 14% of its global workforce will be affected, and that too by a major reconstruction plan. The company is also planning to exit the operations in 22 countries as it looks to simplify its structure and focus on long-term priorities now. According to the company, ladies and gentlemen, the goal is to improve decision-making, reduce the management layers, and create a more efficient organization. GitLab, in the meantime, says that these changes, it will help position the company for future success, particularly as demand grows for AI-powered software development too. The company plans to reinvest much of its saving into research, development, and artificial intelligence product. For many workers, however, the announcement, it reflects a larger trend that is taking place across technology industry. Companies are increasingly focusing on automation, efficiency, AI-driven tools. While executives describe these changes as necessary for growth, employees, they often see them as a source of uncertainty. Now, particularly if we talk about Indians, then Indian professionals have long played a very important role in software development and engineering teams across the world. And that is why layoffs at companies like GitLab, it attracts a lot of attention within the Indians in the US. Many workers are asking whether AI revolution will create more opportunities for them or maybe reduce the number of available jobs. For now, companies continue investing heavily in artificial intelligence while simultaneously maybe reducing parts of their workforce. And that balancing act is becoming one of the most defining stories of the modern technology industry. But perhaps no company has generated more discussions recently than Oracle, where layoffs are now raising entirely new questions. Oracle is one of the biggest names in the global tech sector, right? And which is why its ongoing layoffs they are attracting so much attention. Reports suggest that the company is nearing the final phase of a major reconstructing effort that could affect tens of thousands of employees worldwide. And at the very same time, fresh allegations posted anonymously online, they claim that some workers may have been reclassified before being laid off. Though Oracle has not publicly responded to these claims and they remain unverified, but wait, they have generated a widespread discussion among tech sector and maybe the workers. What makes the whole story specifically interesting is that these layoffs are taking place despite strong business performance. That's right, Oracle continues to report significant growth in cloud computing and artificial intelligence service. The company is also investing billions of dollars into new AI infrastructure and data centers. Now, for Indians, Oracle's reconstruction, it is another reminder of how quickly the tech sector it is changing. Many companies are reporting healthy revenue while simultaneously reducing staff and reorganizing the operation. That has created uncertainty among workers who really wonder whether strong financial results it still guarantee job security or not. Here the broader lesson that's clear. The tech industry is entering a new phase where artificial intelligence, cloud computing and automation it can reshape business models. Companies see opportunity for growth, but employees they are also feeling the pressure of constant change. In the end, tonight's stories reveal a common theme. Whether it is H-1B visa change, stricter social media screening, anti-Indian controversy, housing market challenge or layoffs across major tech sectors, Indians in America they are navigating a period of significant uncertainty. The opportunity that attracted millions of skilled professionals to the US, it exists, but the path towards it is becoming more and more complex. Now, for the Indian families, students, workers, entrepreneurs, the coming months will be very important. Immigration policies are rapidly changing. The tech industry is evolving, AI is transforming the workplace, and economic uncertainty continues to influence major decisions. One thing is certain, the Indian community remains a very important part of America's workforce, economy, and ecosystem. The question now is how that relationship will evolve in the years ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dhruti Athri. This is Skyline. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.